and today I will show you how to allow SSH login to a microtic router. I have a microtic router here and it saves my network. I'll show you. For instance, I'm going to open microtic router and it is hosted at this IP address. Since I'm connected with a VPN from where the router is present, that's why I can't log in with microtic router with some firewall rules protecting me. So I go direct to the web interface with webfig. Here I go direct to this IP address. You can see I can log in and I put here the password. I'll never save it for you. This login now. Going direct to the webfig, but my aim is to go direct to the terminal. You have to read terminal. Don't focus on user interface, web graphical user interface. You have to read terminal, since some even more configuration are available in the terminal as compared to those using web interface, graphical interface. So you have to focus on, and you can automate different tasks with script with the help of graphical or the help of terminal. So here I'll check if IP service print. I'm listing the IP service that is running on my microtic router. You can see www is running at port 8 and SSH running at port 8. They are enabled by default. FTP alternative are disabled. I have disabled by default. You can disable and sets that you don't need. So to disable SFC, you run this command SFC enable SSH. For instance, SSH you can enable. To disable is same thing. Disable IP. For instance, I'm going to disable IP. If I print here, you can see an X here means it is disabled and I means it is invalid. That's why it is disabled by default. So since SSH is enabled by default, I can now access it with a terminal. I can access it with SSH from command line for Windows and terminal for Linux. But before that, there is a security implication here. If you allow this port to be public accessible, then you impose yourself to security vulnerability, and you should allow only from a certain IPs for security, or you have to allow locally and you have to connect locally with VPN, like what I am connected here. I'm using VPN connection. The best VPN connection is the WireGuard. Here I'm connected with WireGuard. So my friend, I'm going to log in with SSH. I created a batch file, microtic, that I put only the it go direct to the login where I that things, successive login. I'll show you the command that I used. I have exited the command. Sorry, naughty microtic.bat. The basic command is this single line only. You can see SSH. If I put SSH option mark ch mark shut. If you don't specify this option, you are not going to log in successful. You have to specify this one, that you can log in with. You can see coordinates of hosting. Let's see what is it. Unable to negotiate with this bot. No matching mark found that it don't match with mark. So you have to don't forget to use this one, otherwise you will not be able to log in. Can you see? This is going direct to ask my password. That is I can log in. And if I switch to the terminal,